Good morning. Here's another remote position. The position is with Humana. It is for inbound contacts representative. Like I stated, it is remote. It is full-time. The inbound contacts representative represents the company by addressing incoming telephone, digital, or written inquiries. The inbound contacts representative performs varied activities and moderately complex administrative, operational customer service support assignments, performs computations, typically works on semi-routine assignments. Some of the functions are ensure accurate and timely processing of all requests by taking appropriate actions such as scheduling appointments, taking messages, transferring calls to appropriate staff, receive patient issues through independent problem solving, and with a goal of first call. The qualifications: strong customer service skills with an emphasis on written and oral communication to respond to inquiries and service requests professionally, active listening with a high degree of empathy, ability to remain calm and helpful even when dealing with upset patients, demonstrate a patient-centric mindset and a high sense of urgency to solve patient requests, knowledge of basic help desk software, computer software, and Microsoft Office applications include Microsoft Word, Excel, and Outlook. They pretty much want you to have a year of previous working in an inbound customer service call center, high school diploma, ability to handle high call volume and multitask while providing an exceptional customer experience, knowledge of and strict adherence to HIPAA. This position pays, has all the benefits. And this position pays between $34,500 to $47,400 per year. And again, this is a remote position, and it's stated nationwide, so you could live in different states. It is with Humana. The position is called Inbound Contacts Representative Remote. The requisition number is R-346953. Again, this is a full-time remote position. You will be receiving calls, from inbound calls from patients 40 hours a week. Full benefits, $34,500 to $47,400 per year.